Welcome to IT Tutorials. We will be creating a new virtual machine with Windows Server 2022 in Virtualbox. So open browser and then search for download Windows Server 2022 and you will see the Microsoft link for the download. So click on that link. Select the ISO option for 64-bit edition and then it will start downloading the ISO file. Then open VirtualBox, then here go to machine and click on new. Then here first give name for your virtual machine. So I'll just say WS1, which is Windows Server 1 because this is the first server in VirtualBox. And then select the folder where you want to store virtual machine files. Then select the ISO image that you have downloaded. Also click on skip unattended installation and then click next. Now here we need to set space for RAM. In this example, I'll just set it to be 4 GBs. So for better performance, I'll just select two CPUs and then click on next. Now here you can set space for virtual hard disk. I'm going to set here space as 100 GBs and then click next. So this is the summary of our virtual machine settings. Then click finish. And now on the left hand side, as you could see, we could see our WS1 virtual machine listed here. So now we will power on the virtual machine. So click on start. So now you have to select language that you want to set. So we'll keep the default one and then also select the keyboard format. So we'll go with the default one here and then click next and then click on install now. Now it's asking us to select the type of installation. So we need to select what edition we want to install. So it would be either standard or data center and whether we want to go with GUI version, that is desktop experience, or command line interface, that is server core. So here I will be selecting data center with desktop experience and then click next. Now accept the license terms and click next. Here we are not upgrading any existing operating system, so there's a fresh installation. So click on custom. So as of now, I'm not going to create any partitions. If you want to know how to create new partition from C drive, then I've already created a video for that. You will find the link for the video in the description. So let me click next. So now it has started the installation process. So this will take some time. And now installation process is done. It's asking us to set password for administrator account. So create some password which is combination of letters, numbers and special characters and then click on finish. And now we can log in with our local admin account. So I'll type the same password that I had set right now. So if we right click Windows logo and then click on system. So if you scroll down here, it shows us the Windows specification section. So the edition that we have installed, that is Windows Server 2022 Data Center Evaluation. If this information was useful to you, then please subscribe to IT Tutorials. Thank you.